So my husband asked me to make some soap specifically for him, and I've been wanting to make soaps with these stone molds because I just recently got them and I haven't had a chance to play yet. So yesterday we pulled out some fragrances for him to smell and came up with a really nice scent blend. The first thing he said he wanted was citrus, and then I had him smell some other of my kind of men's fragrances, and we came up with a blend that is 3 parts Gladiator fragrance from Majestic Mountain Sage, 2 parts 5-fold orange essential oil, and 1 part Litsea cubeba essential oil. So I am using a recipe that I've master batched recently, just trying to use up some of the oils that I had, and it has a good amount of shea butter in it. And I wanted to make sure that my lye solution had a good water discount so that it would release from the mold. And I also added some sodium lactate for that same purpose. So I'm just going to blend this up to an emulsion, and then I'll divide out my colors and do an in the pot swirl and just pour it into the mold. So once I get my colors settled, then I'll get the fragrance added. So I have 3 different colors. One is just cocoa powder mixed with some olive oil. I have silver graphite from Steph's Micas and More, and the cocoa brown also from Steph's Micas and More. And this one turns a really nice blue brown rather than a yellow brown, which I kind of like. And the cocoa powder, my goal is to create more of a tan than a true brown. All right, I'm going to go ahead and divide out my fragrance now. Soap seems to be very fluid still, so that's great. I want it to be able to flow in there to make a nice in the pot swirl. All right, so when I tried to figure out how much soap would fit in each of the cavities, I filled one of them up with water, and it measured just about 3 ounces. So I made enough soap, what I thought would make 36 ounces of soap since I have 12 cavities. Obviously, it wasn't quite enough. I've kind of overfilled a couple of them like this one, so that could be part of my problem. But if I'm going to do this recipe again, I guess I'll know I can make more. But since it's just for my husband, he won't care if he's missing a couple bars.